guys, it's me Elise, and I hope that you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new video. So I have a wig from a company called Recool. I've tried their bundle hair before in the past and I've never had any complaints with it, but here's everything that I received with my wig, and let's go ahead and get into this wig. So I have their 13 by 4 inch undetectable glueless lace frontal wig. The wig that I have is 22 inches long. It's in a deep wave texture, 180% density, and as you guys can see, it does have that transparent lace and that non-removable elastic band. I do wish that it was adjustable at least. However, it worked out, so I'm satisfied. So Recool is having their crazy sale. So if you want to save some cash off of your purchases, use discount code Recool to save 15% off. As well as they do have their buy now pay later option. So if you can't afford it right now, definitely take advantage of their buy now pay later option, and I'll have everything in the info section below. But anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and bleach my knots as I usually do. Then you guys are gonna see me shampoo, condition, do all that good stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing that, and I'll see you guys once I'm done. So I'm going to continue to customize my wig. Now I will be tweezing up the hairline just a bit. If you're a beginner, this is completely optional because this wig does come pre-plucked, as well as it does have its own baby hairs. However, I will be customizing it just to sort of fit the overall aesthetic that I'm looking for. Once again, it's optional. Now, if you guys are new here, I will be sure to link a video in the cards above, as well as the description box below, to show you guys a more detailed video on how this process is done. I'm just sort of summing it up, and I like to include it in all my videos just so that you guys can see how the wig is changing, the process of what I'm doing to change the wig, because we do get a lot of comments from people saying that their wig didn't look like ours, but I am changing the overall look, so it's going to look different from the beginning to the end of the video. So just so you guys can see exactly what it is that I'm doing, and if you guys are inspired, you can follow along and do what we're doing. However, if you don't, if it's not your cup of tea, you can just watch it for entertainment purposes. However, I'm going to continue to customize my wig, and I'll see you guys once I'm done.
I want that sweet life, I want that fancy life, I don't want to live a fast life. Oluwa ba mi she o, go je ki go ere o, say na your hand ide o, they make you bless my way, as I know we like so. Whoa, whoa, yeah, make I know.
So whenever I'm dealing with textured hair, I like to let it air dry overnight, and this wig took about 2 days for it to completely dry. You guys see that gorgeous sheen is giving off and the hair is super soft. I am here for it. Now before I get this wig on, I am going to be tinting the lace. You guys do notice that this wig has that transparent lace that unfortunately does not work with melanated skin tones. So I will be using a little bit of my Fenty foundation in the shade 420. I'm going to apply that all over the lace just so that we can get a better match, so we can have a flawless melt. Now you don't want to use too much because it transfers onto the hair. You don't want that, but you guys do notice that that looks so much better. So let's go ahead and get this wig on. Now I've been wearing my hair in a blowout for these past few days, and let me tell you how this wig comes in clutch, because it is a glueless, so therefore you don't have to commit to gluing it down and wearing it for a few days. I can literally wear my hair in this blowout as I want to, and if I got something to do in the evening time, I want to wear a wig, I can go ahead and slap it on and then take it off at the end of the night. This is how this wig definitely fits into my rotation. Okay, you guys, so get into this wig. Now, my very first impression was how soft this hair is. I just can't stop touching it. It's so soft. I got very minimal shedding that you guys saw towards the beginning of the video while I was shampooing. That's literally all the shedding that I got. Once again, this hair is so soft, and the luster on this wig is super natural. You guys get into it. Now this is their ultimate glueless wig, so it doesn't require any adhesives, any got to be glues or sprays or anything like that. Literally it melts right into your skin tone, being that it does have that elastic band, so pretty much you have a nice sturdy snug fit, so your wig isn't going to go anywhere. You guys see, literally glueless, no glue. It's not going anywhere. Now you guys check out Recool. I'll have all the information provided in the info section below. Let me know what you guys think about this wig, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.
The only special one for me.